Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a game in Roblox. Let's get started. First, go to create.roblox.com and download Roblox Studio if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open it and log in with your Roblox account. And after that, you'll see different templates like OB, Racing, or City. Pick a template you like and click Create New Game. After your game loads, you can start building. Use the Explorer and Properties panels to move objects, change colors, and add parts. To insert things like trees or checkpoints, click Toolbox on the top menu and drag in items right into your game. Take your time and make it your own. When you're ready, click play to test your game. If everything works, go to File, Publish to Roblox As, then give your game a name and click Create. Now, your game is live and ready for others to play. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.